When it comes to our automobiles, we want them to look their best. Your car is a reflection of you. We also want to keep them longer. Next to your home, your auto is typically your next biggest investment. We all want that perfect finish. We have tried many things, from car soaps, paint cleaners, various polishes and waxes, and lengthy labor-intensive processes. But we still end up with a less than perfect finish. Why is it so difficult to achieve? Let's find out why.
Hi, I'm Dennis Dean, and I've been working with automotive paint finishes for over 30 years. Today I'm going to show you a little secret that detailing pros use to get that perfect finish. A simple secret that anyone can learn in just a few minutes. Did you know your car finish is probably covered with contaminants this very minute? Try this quick test after washing and drying your car thoroughly. Take your hand and lightly run it over the paint. What do you feel? Roughness? Do you feel bumps? You know, it could be industrial fallout. It could be paint overspray. It could be railhead dust. That's a particle that lands on your vehicle when it's railed in from the factory. Bottom line is these contaminants are damaging your paint. That's the contamination that washing alone just won't remove these particles. Leaving these on the paint will keep you from getting that perfect finish. And what you'll need to do is you'll need to deep clean the paint using this amazing clay bar, Clay Magic.
Clay Magic, a revolutionary product, is designed for all paint finishes. Clay Magic can instantly defeat harmful pollutants such as industrial fallout, tree sap, paint overspray, road tar, bug residue, bird droppings, and other stubborn dirt. Clay Magic's deep cleaning ability can leave your paint surface smoother and shinier than when it was brand new.
Okay, inside of the kit, this is one of my favorite parts. This is what really tells the story, is that piece of cellophane. We're going to come back to that in just a minute. Okay, I got my clay lubricant, got 12 ounces, adjustable sprayer head. Got a brochure here with a lot of detailed tips on how to use the clay. Here it is, here's the magic. This is the Clay Magic bar. This is what's going to solve all of our problems. Okay, let's see what we need to do to remove this contamination that we spoke about earlier. First off, I got my Clay Magic and I've removed it from the package. When I first take it out of the package, it's a little tacky to my hand. What I like to do is take the lubricant, spray it on the clay bar. Now I can handle it very easily. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to move it into a disc, a patty, something that'll feel comfortable in the palm of my hand, just like that. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the lubricant. It's got an adjustable spray head, and I've got it on the spray cycle here, so I can spray this down. Using plenty of lubricant is a good thing. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the clay. Wow, you know what? The minute I start moving it over the finish, and by the way, I'm not putting a lot of pressure on it. I'm just letting it glide over the paint. I'm letting the clay do the work. You know, and it's not important. I'm going to go back and forth, up and down, go in circles. Okay, you definitely feel the difference under the clay. Now let's wipe it down. This is nice stuff here. Okay, this is what I want to do. I want to get this cellophane glove. Yep, it's gone. The contamination is gone.
Now you know the secret of the detailing pros to get the perfect finish. It's Clay Magic Detailing Clay, used by body shops, car dealerships, auctions, detailing shops, and car washes around the globe. There have been many copycats, but there is only one original patented clay, Clay Magic. The clay that ended our frustrations and brought us to that perfect finish every time. Order Clay Magic through your local Auto Magic distributor, fine retail stores such as AutoZone, and on the web. Go to clay-magic.com.